Hi guys, sisikuma studios we Generations the Legacy. Ngijame Hlangwe legend in acting ubaba uBheki wakwaSibiya baba Sibiya lo chana.
The channel.
Bakwazi ngubani ku Generations?
Oh. Umpilo nto kwababa kodwa laziwa izinsizwa ujiwe khona.
Give me 3 of your all-time favorite actors abake ba actor ku Generations.
Achu Morocco, Kaku Nsiki, and then the one still in Utao and Jack, yeah.
Okay. And then which radio station did you grow up listening to?
Oh, Osiyamukhozo maphiko suthini umntaso waphesikhulela lo.
Aha. Give me 3 of your all-time favorite presenters bekhosi.
Yo, kwakubaba umlaba, uLinda Sibiya.
Yeah.
And then Usqameza.
Yeah.
It's about to go down.
Who's the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Umama lo wenza umama udwebayo umama Esther
Masango.
Jesus mama Esther Masango. Yeah.
What language do blind people speak?
It's not a sign language, cha. I'm Dasenqes. Angazi.
Back to Limpopo.
Name the only radio station nationally that broadcasts in Isindebele.
Inkwekwezi.
Yeah.
Easy.
What is an ambulance?
Ile moto ethatha abantu abalimele.
Yeah. And what sound does it make?
Ahlukene kodwa la igolathi wi.
Ambulance.
Ithina yeah.
Today I don't know, guys. I don't know.
6 plus 7 ngu-11 noma ngu-11.
Ngizothi 11.
Ngoba kubantu education benithi 11 not E.
Ngaphoxa othisha hey uzothi 11.
Can you name the big 5 animals?
Yeah, lapho ke. It's a lion, bubisi, ingwe, elephant and then suba ilokhu inyathi. And then yokugcina of course a tiger.
It's a wow.
What is heavier between i-10 kg yamatshe ne-10 kg yama-feathers amasipho?
I-10 kg yamatshe. Engasindi uphindele insiba.
Kodwa naye ibe i-10 kg.
Yeah. Yabo phela uKenje ume ngakuphi kuboneni uKen 10 kg. Hayi bafowethu.
Amanzi achisako yini ngesilungu?
Hot water,
Abandayo.
cold water,
And then afrizile wona amanzi siwabiza ngesilungu.
ama frozen water. Hayi ama ice.
Si no le ayuda a la fábrica, el camión no está.
Ama ice, kusama ice. Ow, ice.
Who is the most famous person you have in your contact list?
Oh yeah. Eddie Murphy.
You've got the number ka Eddie Murphy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Akukho mnyama kukhanya ba.
Kiwo wonke umkhanyo sonke isikhathi ikwekwezi FM ikuletha ekhaya kukhanya ba.